Hello, this is Tosif Ahmed and welcome to my brand new channel Tosfet and my brand new tutorial on HTML. Oh, HTML. I know what you guys are thinking. HTML so boring. There's a lots of tutorial on HTML whole through the internet, and again you are coming with the HTML. Yes, because I've gone through all the internet, but there is no single tutorial which can teach the newbies the HTML4 and the HTML5 together. For the newbies, they have to first learn the HTML4, then they move on to the HTML5. Why should they? Why should they learn the dead technology? Yeah, dead technology. HTML4 is already dead, or at least it will be dead in the couple of years, 1 or 2, and it's not necessary to learn all the tags of the HTML4, which are all nowadays completely gone, like iframe and all. In spite of that, it is better to learn the new tags in the HTML5. So I came up with these new tutorials in a single one combined, which can teach the newbies the HTML5 and the HTML4, the previous version, and along the way we can also learn simple CSS and maybe CSS3, some of the CSS3, but I'm going to make the new tutorial on CSS3 itself. Maybe I'm going to make CSS and CSS3 together. Keep an eye on my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is for the newbies. So what is HTML? HTML is the hypertext markup language. Yeah, it is just a markup language. It is not a programming language, it is not a scripting language, it is just a markup language. It is just used for presenting the data, not styling the data. Although the HTML5 has come with some type of programming capabilities, but it is still a markup language. What do you need to start up? Just a PC. Yeah, just a PC, no additional software, nothing, no Dreamweaver, no Eclipse and all downloading and stuff. To start up, you need nothing but a PC and your time. The inbuilt software Notepad is enough to start up with for the newbies. For the other softwares like Dreamweaver, Sublime, Eclipse and all, it will make your life easier. We may go on that software also as the series go on, but to start up you can start with a Notepad. For the first, you can just create a new text document, a simple text document, not a Word document. Okay, and just I think it is better to create a new folder and name it as HTML. Okay, and put it the text document over in there. Just open the text document. Okay, now how we can start? Okay, first we are going to write the HTML tags. The HTML tags which is read by the browsers, so the browser can understand what type of data it contains. So we are starting with HTML, so that means we have to type HTML. Okay, how the browser knows? It is for the browser and other for the users. This HTML tag inside the brackets, that is the less than and greater than sign. Now it will tell this thing, this opening, this is the lesser than and greater than signs, tells that this is the HTML only for this is the tag only for the browser, not for the user. It is not going to don't show this on the website to the users. Okay, and every tag comes with a pair when it starts, and we have to tell that the browser that and when it is going to start and where it is going to end. And we are telling that by this HTML tag only, but how the browser knows which is the start tag, which is the end tag? So we are putting the backslash over here. HTML, okay, backslash over here. So we are telling the browser that this is the start of the HTML and this is the end of the HTML, and whatever comes under these tags is the HTML. Okay, fine. This is the HTML5 type. Now there is some previous versions, maybe some old guys, my grandfather, grandpa, something use, some are using Internet Explorer 6, still using Internet Explorer 6, maybe. So it should be compatible to that version also. So we are putting the doc type over here. Previously we have to put the 1 line or 2 line statement for the doc type, but now it is not necessary. For the just previous compatibility, we are going to put a doc type. Enough. That's enough to start up the HTML. Now this is telling the browser that my HTML starts here, my HTML ends here. Now keep on reading HTML between that. Okay, now let's type maybe paragraph. We want to add a paragraph. Again, the less than and the greater than sign in between, I'm telling that this is the paragraph is starting. Paragraph. Okay, now this is the start of the paragraph and this is the end of the paragraph, and we have to put a backslash over here to tell that this is the end. Yeah, now I think you are getting. Okay, we every time we are starting we have to type the whole paragraph. We don't need to add the whole paragraph over here. Just p is enough. So because this paragraph tag is using so often, just p is enough to tell the browser that this is a paragraph. So okay, whatever I'm telling the browser, paragraph starts here, paragraph ends here, and whatever come in between that is a paragraph. So I'm going to type my first paragraph. This is my first paragraph. Okay, yeah, save it. It's saved now, but it is in the .txt extension. For the HTML, it should be in the .html extension. So we are going to open it, file, save as. I rename it as index, but you can name it whatever you like. Index, and the extension is .html. That's it, and save it. Now it is saved. Look, it is the index.html. It's saved over here, and here it is. This is the text file and this is the index.html file. So now I'm going to open my first paragraph in the browser. Exciting. Open it in the browser, and this is the browser, and it is showing this is my first paragraph. Yeah, I'll dock it over here. Look, the HTML tags are cut off by the browser. The browser knows that this is only for me, this is only for browsers, not for the users. So, and this is not start up with the HTML tags. So it is going to it recognizes this is for the user, so it presented on the browser as a paragraph tag. And let us edit and extend this paragraph. This is my second statement, and save it here only, and just reload it, refresh it. Let's see, you are getting this is my first paragraph, and this is my, now you are getting that it is so quick. You are just typing and saving, save it, and just refresh it. You are getting whatever you type here, you are getting over here in the HTML. Although okay, this is so simple as it is. The HTML is so simple, you can get it so easily. Later we can move on the different types. This is not the correct structure. for the startup, for the sake of the newbies and the startup, I just showed this one. And there is before the p tag there should be a body tag, there should be a title, there should be the header tag, but don't mess up with your minds. This is enough for the startup. And keep going, subscribe my channel, and keep going on the series to learn more HTML together. Yes, HTML4 and HTML5 together, and also in between the CSS. Thank you very much.